I need to buy groceries. I need to buy groceries. Let's go to the supermarket. Let's go to the supermarket. The supermarket is busy today. The supermarket is busy today. I need a shopping cart. I need a shopping cart. Where are the vegetables? Where are the vegetables? I need fresh vegetables. I need fresh vegetables. The tomatoes look fresh. The tomatoes look fresh. I will buy some potatoes. I will buy some potatoes. I need onions for cooking. I need onions for cooking. These carrots look good. These carrots look good. I need some fruits. I need some fruits. The apples are red. The apples are red. I like sweet oranges. I like sweet oranges. Bananas are healthy. Bananas are healthy. I will buy some grapes. I will buy some grapes. I need milk. I need milk. The milk is in the fridge section. The milk is in the fridge section. I also need eggs. I also need eggs. Butter is over there. Butter is over there. Cheese is next to the butter. Cheese is next to the butter. I need some bread. I need some bread. The bread smells fresh. The bread smells fresh. I like whole wheat bread. I like whole wheat bread. Let's buy some cereal. Let's buy some cereal. This cereal is on the top shelf. This cereal is on the top shelf. I also want some snacks. I also want some snacks. These chips look tasty. These chips look tasty. I will buy some cookies. I will buy some cookies. Chocolate is my favorite. Chocolate is my favorite. I need a bottle of juice. I need a bottle of juice. Where is the water section? Where is the water section? I will buy 2 bottles of water. I will buy 2 bottles of water. This juice is on sale. This juice is on sale. The price is good. The price is good. That is a good deal. That is a good deal. Let me check the price. Let me check the price. This item is cheap. This item is cheap. That item is expensive. That item is expensive. I will buy this one. I will buy this one. I need cleaning supplies. I need cleaning supplies. Where is the soap? Where is the soap? I need shampoo. I need shampoo. The toothpaste is here. The toothpaste is here. I will buy a new toothbrush. I will buy a new toothbrush. I need paper towels. I need paper towels. Let's go to the checkout. Let's go to the checkout. The line is long. The line is long. I will wait here. I will wait here. The cashier is fast. The cashier is fast. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. Did you find everything? Did you find everything? Yes, I found everything. Yes, I found everything. No, I could not find bread. No, I could not find bread. The total is $20. The total is $20. I will pay by card. I will pay by card. I will pay with cash. I will pay with cash. Here is my card. Here is my card. Please enter your PIN. Please enter your PIN. The payment is approved. The payment is approved. Do you need a bag? Do you need a bag? Yes, I need a bag. Yes, I need a bag. Paper bag or plastic bag? Paper bag or plastic bag? A paper bag is fine. A paper bag is fine. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you, you too. Thank you, you too. I like this supermarket. I like this supermarket. The store is very clean. The store is very clean. The staff are friendly. The staff are friendly. The prices are reasonable. The prices are reasonable. I enjoy grocery shopping. I enjoy grocery shopping. Shopping is relaxing. Shopping is relaxing. I found everything I needed. I found everything I needed. My cart is full. My cart is full. I bought many things today. I bought many things today. These groceries will last a week. These groceries will last a week. I need to cook dinner tonight. I need to cook dinner tonight. Fresh food is healthy. Fresh food is healthy. Cooking at home saves money. Cooking at home saves money. I like healthy food. I like healthy food. Fruits and vegetables are important. Fruits and vegetables are important. Water is important for health. Water is important for health. I enjoy cooking meals. I enjoy cooking meals. Grocery shopping is part of daily life. Grocery shopping is part of daily life. I will come back next week. I will come back next week. This store has many options. This store has many options. I like trying new foods. I like trying new foods. Today was a good shopping day. Today was a good shopping day. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. Keep repeating the sentences. Keep repeating the sentences. Practice every day. Practice every day. Your English will improve. Your English will improve. Speaking builds confidence. Speaking builds confidence. Listening improves pronunciation. Listening improves pronunciation. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Keep learning new words. Keep learning new words. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep learning English every day. Keep learning English every day.